So it is, what is it, June 11th? And they're having a little show and shine thing here at Scotty's Diner. We didn't know it was like a car show, so we're a little bit late. Because this is not what we were expecting. But it looks pretty sweet. There's a ton of cars out here. We're gonna go check it out with the kiddos. Here she is. And it's got her all shined up.
Mom, can you do a video?
What?
Video.
I'm doing a video. Look at how cute you are.
Scotty's show and shine. I thought it was just kind of like gonna be like a hangout, like not so much like a organized car show,
But it is. And we're very late.
Well, I didn't think it was a
car show.
I thought it was just like show up and hang out a little bit. Ooh, the Lincoln looks good.
Yeah, it does. Shining. Here's the Lincoln. Oh, a white one. 63 though. You called it. You knew it. What's Dad doing?
Bringing in the car.
He's bringing in the car? We're gonna try to park it next to that Lincoln Continental. Here he goes. He's gonna bring it in.
Doesn't trash into the people watching over there.
Yeah, he won't. He'll be careful. Alright, got the two Lincolns by each other. The difference in 2 years. Yeah, we're at Scotty's. Got cars out here. They're playing the old classics.
Gonna get something to drink and eat.
Smells really good right here.
Now it doesn't. Now it smells like snow.
Yes, it does. Here's my favorite, the little bootlegger. I think it's so cute every time I see it. Scotty. I love when they do stuff like this. Oh, cute. They got so much going on out here. Even over there.
That's a cool car.
Is pink?
They don't change. No, they do it right.
A cheeseburger, fries, and a drink.
The music.
I know, it's so good. Okay, we're just leaving the show and shine. It's really hot out today. It's 82 degrees. A little bit of a breeze, but not too much. So it was getting hot, way too hot. But people were really checking out the Lincoln, which was cool. Man, my freckles look really dark. My freckles look so dark right now. Lining up for the parade. Got a spot behind Corey. It's pretty sweet. It's filling up here. Cars are coming in. It's about 2 o'clock exactly, and we can line up until 3. So it should be a pretty sweet parade. There goes Vikers. He needs to get out and walk. Alright, the lineup. Everybody's lining up for the big parade.
Woo!
Some good ones. A lot of cars out there. Should be a nice parade.
Yeah, there's the Thunderbird guy, right?
Yep.
He signed up for the
to a Buggies-N-Blues weekend, and we are headed to Buggies-N-Blues. Aaron went and parked the Lincoln while we ran to the storage unit and got some chairs to sit in, and then some of our little props. So we're headed in there now, and we're gonna get butcher block for lunch. I love their sandwiches, so it's gonna be so good.
Okay, I'm lined up with the Lincoln on Main Street in Mandan for Buggies-N-Blues for the big car show they have. So I'll give you guys a view of the lineup that I'm in. Quite a bit of cars lined up here. I got Corey behind me. Did a little wave. So just waiting to get parked.
Alright, we just got to Buggies-N-Blues. Corey's parked right there. We got the perfect end spot to get the suicide doors open. Aaron's trying to figure a good place to put the information sign. But literally the best spot that we could have had to throw open the doors. Also, death row is right here, so they'll be nice and close to us. Well, we made it, and we're gonna eat our butcher block sandwiches.
So good.
Yum.
And we got like prime parking. Like we're right on the end, so we can just open the doors up, and we didn't have to worry about being like right next to somebody on both sides. So that worked out really good.
Perfect parking.
It's supposed to be cloudy.
Not one cloud.
It's hot. It's always hot.
And a burn up.
Now we're gonna go check out some vehicles and see what we can see. Have you seen your favorite one yet, Stace?
It might be that Monte Carlo.
Oh my gosh.
I'm kidding. No, I don't think so.
What year is this thing? That's so cool.
57.
Definitely want to own one of these someday. All right, we left the car show on Main Street in Mandan, Buggies-N-Blues. Overall, it was good. It was hot, but we had a shady spot, so that was good. Walked around, seeing some pretty cool cars. Yeah, it was a fun time. All right, that is a wrap, guys, for Buggies-N-Blues 2022. Lincoln did really good, and it was really hot outside, which is a bugger, but yeah, that's it.